How to unzip files in iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can unzip any files or folders in your iPhone. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step here is head over to your app store and then simply search for iZip. After you search for iZip, this is the app that you want to download. After you've downloaded the app, you can open it up and this is what it's gonna look like. So after you're here, make sure that you have your zip file on your Files app. So simply search for the Files app and there you can find your zip folder or zip file. Now what we'll do is we'll just head back to our iZip app and then head over to Files. So from here you can see the examples. Now we just want to import that very zip file into this app. So to do that, what we'll do is we'll simply just head back here. This is the example. You can just unzip it like this, and that is how you unzip it. But so let's just import the other one here first. So head over to our files and then tap on share. After you tap on share, simply choose the iZip option here right beside AirDrop, and then it should be on your iZip. So as you can see right here, after I just tapped on iZip, it directly took me to the app, and then now it's just gonna unzip it. Tap on OK, and there you go. You have just unzipped that very file, and now you can download this as well. You can head over to here, open this up, and that is how you do it. And yeah, that is all for today's video, guys. That is how you can unzip files in iPhone. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.